So what happened? Now we will study about division. Why? Because in that video there is bit left in the division. So what happens here? We will learn few more things in division. See here one more example. 45 decimal 35. If we will divide with 2 decimal 5. Okay. 45 decimal 35 will be divided by 2.5. What happens? We will write this value in numerator and this value in denominator. Now what we are seeing? We are seeing that here in numerator we will have 2 decimal place. Here in numerator we will have 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place, and here in denominator we will have only 1 decimal place. A little bit different what I have told in my first video. Okay. So what happens? What we will do? We will shift. Why? Because here the decimal will be removed, it will be shifted to one place. So here also we will shift to one place only. So it will come here. Okay. So it will come here. Now what happened? It will convert it to 453 decimal 5 upon 25. 453.5 upon 25. Why? Because when it is shifted to one place in denominator, so in numerator also we will shift to one place only. Okay. Now what happens? Here we will have decimal, and because of this decimal a little bit problem is creating. It is becoming more tougher. So what happened? We will try to remove this decimal also. So what happened? If we will shift it to one place, what happens? Here what we have to do, at denominator we have to place a 0. Why? Because now in denominator we will have no decimal place. So that is why if we will remove a decimal from numerator, we will have to place a 0. Okay. So now it is converted to 4535 upon 250. 4535 upon 250. Okay. So we will try to reduce it. 5 9s are 45, 0, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 0. Okay, those who not able to divide like this, so you will try to divide like the way you are doing division in smaller classes. Okay, but try to adopt the way of cutting like this. Okay. Now here 907 upon 50. So it is irreducible. Why? Because 907 is a prime number. So what we have to do? We have to divide it. 907 upon 50. 50 1 ja 50 minus we will have 40. Then 7 will come at down. 407. 5 8 is a 400. 58 is a 400. We will have 7 in the remainder. We will place a decimal. So what happened? A 0 will come here. 50 1 is a 50 minus we will have 20. So what happened? We will place a 0. Why? Because decimal is already here. 54 is a 200. Okay. So the answer will be 18 decimal 14. This is the answer. Okay. So by this method we will solve the value in decimals and division in decimals. Okay. What we are seeing that here the number of decimal place is different in numerator and denominator. Okay. Here we will have 2 decimal place, here we will have 1 decimal place. So what happens? When we will try to shift the decimal places from numerator and denominator, what we are observing that when we are shifting the decimal in denominator to 1 decimal place, a decimal is from numerator also will be shifted to only 1 decimal place. Now the picture is converted to this. What happens? 453.5 upon 25. Why? Because here decimal is shifted. 453.5 upon 25. Okay. And this decimal is creating a problem. Why? Because it is in decimal. So we will try to reduce it. We will try to remove the decimal from the numerator. So on doing that, what we will do, when we will shift a decimal from here and we do not have a decimal place at denominator, so what we have to do? We have to place 1 0. We have to place a 1 0 because here only we will have 1 decimal place. If we will have 2 decimal place, then we will have to place 2 0. if we will have 3 decimal place, then at denominator we have to place 30. Like that only we have to do. So 1 decimal place, so 10. Now it is converted to a fraction 4535 upon 250. We have reduced it. So after reducing, we will get 907 upon 50, and 907 is a prime number. It will not be reduced by 5 or any other number. So we have to divide only. After dividing, we will get the value in answer in decimal form, that is 18.14. Okay. So it is very easy. I will suggest you to adopt this method of division. Why? Because it will be very helpful for you all to solve the value in decimal cases, or else what happens, division will be a tougher than other cases and a more time consuming also. By this what happens, we will solve the question easily. Okay, suppose we will have 5.345 divided by 125, 1.1 decimal to 5. Okay, 1 decimal. Okay, 5.3450 divided by 1.25. So we will write this value in numerator 4.3450 and upon 1 decimal to 5. What happens? Here we are seeing we will have 2 decimal place. Here we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. So what happens? We will shift the decimal to 2 decimal places. We have shifted decimal to 2 decimal places. Here also what happened? Decimal will be shifted to only 2 decimal place. It will lie here. Okay. It will shifted to 2 decimal place. Now what happens? Question is converted to 534 decimal 50 upon 125. 534.50 upon 125. The decimal which is first, we will see that here what that decimal have. Now it is shifted to 2 decimal place. Why? Because at denominator also we have shifted decimal to 2 decimal places. Now what happened? Decimal is removed from the denominator, but still we will have a decimal in the numerator. So we will try to remove that decimal from the numerator. Okay. So what happened? We will have 2 decimal place. So we will remove the decimal, and what happens, because the 2 decimal places, at denominator we have to place 2 0. At denominator we have to place 2 0. Now it is converted to 53450 upon 12500, and we are seeing that here also we will have 0 and denominator, so we can reduce it. We can cut 110 from numerator and denominator. Now 534.5 upon 1250. What happened? We can reduce it. Okay, we can reduce it. 5 1s are 5, 0, 5 6 are 30, 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25, 0, 250. Okay, so 1069 upon 250. So when you will divide 1069 by 250, whatever will be the answer, we will have that answer as a answer of this question. So by this only we will, like this only we have to do division. Okay. So in division and multiplication, the shifting case is very important. Shifting of decimal. If you will learn the shifting of decimal, if you have learned already that shifting of decimal, so what happens? Division and multiplication is very easy. Okay. So I have tried to make you learn, and I have explained the shifting of decimals also, here division also, each and everything. So I think it will now very easy. So all of you try to do these questions in your rough copy first and then in your fair copy. If any problem, you can ask me in comment box or in WhatsApp group. Thank you.